Okay, this again is that amazing 503A, born back in 1959. And again, because of that direct drive feature of this machine, gears are driving this machine, not a belt. It is amazing what you can sew through. Hopefully you've seen all the other videos as well. We've demonstrated the power of this machine on a wide range of materials, including leather. This, however, is canvas binding tape, which I would rank up there with the heaviest of materials. And if the camera is close enough, you can see why. It has a Kevlar type weave to it. I'm going to kind of rotate it back and forth, and hopefully the camera can capture that. That really creates almost a surface of armor when it comes to resisting that needle. And going through just one or two layers of this, even though it's a thin material, as I've demonstrated in other videos, extremely strong. If you knew the amount of force that I was applying to that, you'd be amazed that it can stand up to it. But it's able to because of that weave factor of this material. But we're going to not go through one or two layers. I think it would be kind of an insult to a machine with this much power the way we've serviced it. So we're going to do 10 layers. There's layer number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 layers of canvas binding tape. I'm grouping it together so I can show you from the side. Check that out. That is unbelievably thick. That's 10 layers of canvas binding tape that, I mean, if when you get this in your own home, should you be the winner, and you feel this with your own hands, you'll be amazed at the power of this machine. So follow me down to the needle, and I will show you what a machine that we've serviced is capable of doing. Again, don't try this at home, and don't try this if you have a 503 that you bought somewhere else, because the results may not be a good outcome. Okay, 10 layers of canvas binding tape. Here we go. What do you think of that? You know, I've said it, and talk is cheap, but we put our money where our mouth is when it comes to servicing these machines, and they stand out against any other machines that I've seen listed or advertised anywhere. Final result of a great machine is certainly the power, and you just saw that. But the greatest of machines can go through material as thick as that and still produce a perfect stitch. That is just absolutely gorgeous in every respect. Look at it vertically as well. And as I rotate it around, look at again the thickness factor of 10 layers of canvas binding tape, and then remember how easily this machine got the job done. And as I turn it around, look at that lock-in stitch. To get a top stitch that's that good is one thing, but when you can go through that much material and still get a lock-in stitch that is absolutely textbook perfect, that tells you that this machine is running as well as it possibly can. And we are looking forward to being able to pass this machine on to somebody to enjoy it for a lifetime.